Political commentators' message to PNP president following another by-election defeat. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, there is no leadership crisis. PNP chairman defends his party. We are speeding things up. Tough-talking Chief Justice on latest plans to improve justice system. And ceasefire, the St. Andrew community which says gang feuds are things of the past. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. We have the details right after this break.